once I enrolled with the AIA, then I got the short notes.
2000 pages book you have summarized in such a way that it become very easy.
And sir, the notes which you have prepared are amazing.
But with the help of your study material, your question bank,
and the material which you supplied, it was wonderful, sir. It covered everything.
Your notes and the entire curriculum or the CFE, like the specific, the way you concise this course, it's very recommendable.
Doubt session was very, very helpful.
Joined in the classes. It was really an amazing experience.
Your notes specifically are so crisp.
Video lectures, the practice questions that you have given, and there I got enrolled, and when I started looking through the syllabus and all, it was quite complicated in the beginning.
We have got the video sessions that you were provided, the question bank.
Making your short notes will work for you.
Wonderful video, sir. Very informative.
Thank you anyway. It was all because of your material and classes, sir.
Video lectures made me go into the mind. Because of that, I was able to answer the questions.
Sit with the book, mark whatever is important.
मैं तो ये बोलूँगी कि आपका जो भी notes वगैरह है उसको अगर कोई पढ़ ले तो enough है CFE exam को crack करने के लिए.
But in AIA, I have seen that you have your own modules, study material that we have given.
On the basis of the short notes, it gave me some sort of a very crystal clear kind of thing.
I used to open your app and go through the notes or go to the practice questions.
The videos also help you to solve any of the doubts which are left behind.
I don't have any kind of a CFE material apart from your notes.
I compared with the short notes book which provided by AIA.
To bring the 2000 pages short examiner manual in just 300 pages is just fabulous.
Doubt clearance that you are doing every Sunday to the video lecture one by one, it became very clear.
We have to understand the concept better.
It was wonderful to be part of the lectures.
The AIA material is good enough.